Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlade Guide. I am Saurav Rohkle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic Uphill on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Basaheb Rohkle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Who has written the poem Uphill? Options are A. William Shakespeare, B. William Wordsworth, C. Rabindranath Tagore, or D. Christina Georgina Rossetti. Correct option is D. Christina Georgina Rossetti. Question number 2. Christina Rossetti is the sister of Dante Gabriel Rossetti, the influential dash artist and poet. Options are A. Pre-Raphaelite, B. Victorian, C. Romantic, or D. Metaphysical. Correct option is A. Pre-Raphaelite. Question number 3. What is the lifespan of Christina Georgina Rossetti? Options are A. 1830 to 1894, B. 1820 to 1890, C. 1825 to 1893, or D. 1828 to 1892. Correct option is A. 1830 to 1894. Question number 4. Uphill by Christina Rossetti is dash poem. Options are A. A satirical, B. An ironical, C. An allegorical, or D. A patriotic. Correct option is C. An allegorical. Question number 5. Uphill is an extended dash which compares life to a painful journey. Options are A. Personification, B. Hyperbole, C. Simile, or D. Metaphor. Correct option is D. Metaphor. Question number 6. Uphill is written in the form of dash without quotation marks. Options are A. A dialogue or question and answer or conversion, B. Narration, C. Ballad, or D. An epic. Correct option is A. A dialogue or question and answer or conversion. Question number 7. How many speakers are described in the poem Uphill? Options are A. 1, that is the god, B. 4, which are poet, speaker, guide and god. Option C. 2, which are speaker and guide, or D. 3, which are speaker, guide and god. The correct option is C. 2, which are speaker and guide. Question number 8. What answer does the guide give to the speaker's question, will the day's journey take the whole long day? Options are A. From noon to night, my friend, B. From dawn to night, my friend, C. From eve to night, my friend, or D. From morn to night, my friend. Correct option is D. From morn to night, my friend. Question number 9. Where does the speaker in the poem Uphill want to rest at night? Options are A. In the church, B. In the temple, C. In the lodge, or D. In the inn. Correct option is D. In the inn. Question number 10. The inn in Uphill is a metaphor used for dash. Options are A. Heaven, B. Hell, C. Earth, or D. Church. Correct option is A. Heaven. Question number 11. What does the hill used in Uphill represent? Options are A. The speaker's life in heaven, B. The speaker's life in the hell, C. The speaker's life on earth, or D. The speaker's life on hill. Correct option is C. The speaker's life on earth. Question number 12. When does a man get entry in the inn at the top of the hill? Options are A. When he pays charge in advance, B. When he requests the owner of the inn, C. After doing all the religious rituals, or D. After living life on the earth or climbed the hill. Correct option is D. after living life on the earth or climbed the hill? Question number 13. What makes the traveler worry that he might miss the inn? Options are A. Nightfall, B. Tension, C. Overweight, or D. Burden. Correct option is A. Nightfall. Question number 14. Who are welcome in the inn? Options are A. No one, B. Everyone, C. Selected few, or D. Religious people. Correct option is B. Everyone. Question number 15. How many questions does the narrator ask to the guide? Options are A. 6, B. 10, C. 7, or D. 8. Correct option is D. 8. Question number 16. How many stanzas does the poem Uphill has? Or what is the structure of the poem Uphill? Options are A. 4 stanzas with 4 lines each, B. 3 stanzas with 4 lines each, C. 4 stanzas with 3 lines each, or D. 5 stanzas with 4 lines each. Correct option is A. 4 stanzas with 4 lines each. Question number 17. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem Uphill? Options are option A. A B A B, option B. A B B A, option C. A B B, or option D. A B C D. Correct option is A. A B A B. Question number 18. The act of speakers knocking on the door represents dash dash. Options are A. Confession and forgiveness before death, B. Demolish the door, C. Act of changing the front door of the inn, or D. Painting the door. Correct option is A. Confession and forgiveness before death. Question number 19. The speaker and the guide in Uphill call each other dash dash. Options are A. Rival, B. Enemy, C. Friend, or D. Foe. Correct option is C. Friend. Question number 20. What difference do you notice between the speaker and the guide portrayed in Uphill? Options are A. Positive and negative attitude, B. They represent different culture and religion, C. Optimistic and pessimistic views, or D. Different perspectives on the uphill journey. Correct option is D. Different perspectives on the uphill journey. Question number 21. What is the main theme of Uphill, a narrative poem published in 1861? Options are A. To guide each other, B. Meaning of life and death, C. Modes of journey, or D. Purpose of journey. Correct option is B. Meaning of life and death. Question number 22. What speaker's state mind do you notice in Uphill? Options are A. Confused and nervous, B. Happy and joyful, C. Tired and unhappy, or D. Gloomy and muted. Correct option is A. Confused and nervous. Question number 23. Asking the last question, the speaker says, "Will there be beds for me and all who seek?" What does the word bed signify? Options are A. Attractive bed, B. Salvation after difficult journey, C. A huge bed, or D. Comfortable bed. Correct option is B. Salvation after difficult journey. Question number 24. What is the poet's view on life and death reflected in Uphill? Options are A. In short span of live happily, B. Life is very long and we must enjoy it, C. Life is short but very sweet, or D. Life is like a difficult uphill road and death is like the inn. Correct option is D. Life is like a difficult uphill road and death is like the inn. Question number 25. What answer does the guide give to the speaker's question, "Shall I find comfort, travel store and weak?" Options are A. Yeah, beds for all who come, B. Of labor you shall find the sum, C. They will not keep you waiting at the door, or D. You cannot miss that inn. Correct option is B. of labor you shall find the sum. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.